Unit 4 Tree. First definition of tree. A tree is a finite set of one or more nodes and the tree represents the nodes connected by edges. Then there is a specially designated nodes called root. The remaining nodes are partitioned into n greater than or is equal to disjoint set, that is T1, T2, T3 up to Tn. When T1, T2, T3 and Tn are called a subtree of the root. So this is the basic structure of a tree. So here A is the root node, A having two child node, that is B and C is the child node of A. So the root node definition is, it is unique node in the tree to which further subtrees are attached. They are called as a root node. Then B is the parent node, D and E is the child node. So parent node is nothing but the node having further sub branches is called a parent node. Here B is the parent node, D and E is the sub branches. So this is the parent node. Then child node is nothing but the child node in the above given tree are marked here. D is the parent, H and I is the child node, right? So here C is the parent node, F and G is the child of the parent node C, right? Here F and G is also called as a sibling node. So sibling node is nothing but the common parent are called sibling nodes, right? The common parent, C is a parent, F and G is the child node. So these are the two child of C. So another one name of this two child node is sibling of node, right? Then so these are the basic structure of tree. Here the basic terminologies. First one is path. Path refer to the sequence of nodes along the edges of a tree. Then root. The node at the top of the tree is called root. There is only one root per tree and one path from the root node to any node. Then parent node, any node except the root node has one edge upward to a node is called a parent. So here D is the parent, the D having two child, that is H and I is the child node. So that is the parent node. Then child node, the node below a given node connected by its edges downward is called its child node, right? So in this particular figure, H and I is the child node. The leaf, the node which does not have any child node is called the leaf node. Then subtree, the subtree represents the descendants of a node. Then visiting node, visiting refer to checking the value of a node when control is on the node. Then traversing is nothing but, traversing means passing through the node in a specific order. Then levels of the tree. The levels of a node represent the generation of a node. If the root node is at level 0, then its next child node is at level 1, its grandchild is at level 2 and so on. Then keys. Key represent the value of the node based on which a search operation is to be carried out of node. Thank you.